Welcome. If you've been trying to find your highlights activity on Instagram using a PC and feel a bit lost after the latest update, you're not alone. The layout has changed slightly, but the good news is that everything you need is still there, just in a new place. Let's walk through it together step by step so you can find your highlights quickly and easily. First, go ahead and open Instagram on your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once you're on the Instagram website, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Click on those 3 lines to open up more options. After clicking, a menu will appear. From that list, find and click on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything related to your account activity, including posts, interactions, and more. Once you're inside your activity, look for the section labeled Photos and Videos. Click on it to expand more options related to your media. Here's where the new update comes into play. Inside Photos and Videos, you'll now find Highlights. Go ahead and click on Highlights, and this will take you directly to your Highlights activity, where you can view and manage them. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can access your highlights on Instagram web, even with the updated layout. It may feel different at first, but once you know where to look, it becomes simple and quick. If you found this helpful, you might want to explore the rest of the Your Activity section too. There are a lot of useful tools there to help you manage your content and keep track of your Instagram usage.